Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Wallet's loyalty and reward program. Let's get straight into the video. So for adding loyalty and reward cards, what you want to do is to open the Google Wallet on your Android device, and then you want to tap the loyalty and rewards tab. Now you want to tap the plus icon to add a new loyalty or reward card, and then you want to select the merchant or program that you want to add a card for, and then just enter the card information such as the card number and expiration date. Now for using loyalty and reward cards, what you need to do is to present your loyalty and reward card at checkout to earn points or rewards, and you also earn points or reward for every purchase you make with participating merchants. You could always just track your points or wallet balance in your Google Wallet app. Now Google Wallet's loyalty and reward program features, there are a couple of features. The first is the digital loyalty cards. So you can store digital loyalty cards in Google Wallet for easy access. You could also use reward tracking, which allows you to track your reward balance and earn points for every purchase. There's also exclusive offers, where you receive exclusive offers and discounts from participating merchants. And there's also personalized rewards, where you're going to receive personalized rewards and recommendations based on your purchasing habits. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.